I am Surendra Kumar Tiwari from Dayalbagh Educational Institute, Agra. Today I will discuss Indrapuri Barrage in Bihar. First of all, introduction of Indrapuri Barrage, which is located of Indrapuri Barrage, why are used, what are silent feature of Indrapuri Barrage. First of location, Rohtas district, Bihar, India. Coordinate of Indrapuri Barrage is 24.8369 degree north and 84.1344 degree east. Opening date of Indrapuri Barrage is 1968. Dam and spillway on Son River. Length of Indrapuri Barrage is 1407 meter and 4616 feet. It was constructed by Hindustan Construction Company (SCC). There is a proposal for the construction of a dam across the Son River between the Khandwan in the Garhwa district of Jharkhand and Maitwan is the Rohtas district of Bihar. Purpose of the Indrapuri Barrage. How many purpose? Why are used the Indrapuri Barrage? First thing, this has necessitated creation the another reservoir somewhere near Khandwa in order to maintain on ensure the discharge of the Indrapuri Barrage across the Son River near the Dehri and Son. Second one is apart from the irrigation, there is a proposal for the generation of power by utilizing the head thus available the Khandwa dam site. Second purpose of the Indrapuri Barrage is the irrigation hydropower. Many most important purpose of the Indrapuri Barrage irrigation. Many land are irrigated this barrage and many large amount of power generation of this hydropower plant and this irrigation hydropower plant. The existing Son barrage on the Son near Indrapuri located 75 km downstream of the Khandwa. The common primary function of the barrage are increase the depth of a river similar to a wire, maintain the separation between the fresh and the salt water, reduce the risk of the tidal flooding of a river. Silent feature of the Indrapuri Barrage. Many silent feature, large amount of silent feature. First of silent feature of the Indrapuri Barrage. State Bihar state located. District Garhwa. Village Khandwan. Latitude 24 degree 30 minute 15 second. Longitude 83 degrees 37 minute 50 second east. River Son. Situation near the Kharwa village in the Bhavnathpur police station under the Garhwa subdivision. Purpose irrigation and hydropower. Catchment area up to dam site 21481 square mil and 55636 square kilometer. Free catchment area is the Indrapuri Barrage 6664 square mile and 17260 square kilometer. Free catchment area. Maximum annual rainfall. The maximum annual rainfall of the Indrapuri Barrage 666.56 inches and 1690.55 millimeter, and the maximum rainfall and the minimum annual rainfall is a 28.74 inches and 7300 mm. And another silent feature of the Indrapuri Barrage, mean annual rainfall 47.65 inches 1232.10 mm rainfall. Design flood discharge 1342650 centimeter cube and 37997 centimeter cube. Available 75 meter dependable runoff. Annual excluding Benager project 3.89 maximum water level. Available 90% dependable runoff. Monsoon excluding Benager project 3.2 MAP and 3940 hectare meter. Mean annual runoff the excluding Benager project 524 MPa and 6476 20 hectare meter. Maximum water level 574.1 feet and 100 76 meter. Full reservoir level 567.58 feet and 173 meter. Dead storage level 467.51 feet 142.5 meter. Reservoir storage capacity, how many water capacity of Indrapuri Barrage, and the many large amount of water capacity, and the reservoir storage capacity 3.220 MFA, 397,348 hectare meter. Gross storage RFRL 3.66 MAF and 452,261 hectare meter. Gross storage of W. Maximum water level 4.090 MAF. And another silent feature of type of dam. What are type of dam? Earthen dam and zone type. Elevation of top dam. How are elevated the dam? Elevation of top dam is a 583.98 feet 178 meter. Lowest bed level of river 436.54 feet 135.06 meter. Maximum height of dam 147.44 feet 41.94 meter. Length of dam, how many length of dam? Length of dam is 12799 feet 3895 meter. Type of spillway, how many type? What are a type of a spillway of Indrapuri Barrage? Type of a spillway is shaped with the ski jump bucket. Length of a spillway 1348 feet and 411 meter. A span, number of a span, how many span used in Indrapuri Barrage? The number 23 number. A spillway number, any number of a span is 23. 49.20 feet each span length is 49.20 feet. Crest level of Indrapuri Barrage 536.08 feet and 160.4 meter. Designated head, how many height of head of Indrapuri Barrage? 38.06 feet 11.16. And next is a cost of Indrapuri Barrage. How many cost are included in dam construction या barrage construction? Cost of reservoir project is 533.36 crore. Cost of power component 577.78 crore. Total amount of Indrapuri Barrage which is constructed the Indrapuri Barrage 1111.14 crore. Design and structure of Indrapuri Barrage. Sketch a river barrage of a water diversion. Foundation and the lateral winding. The lateral force apply the foundation. And next is the main spillway, wings, diversion spillway, environmental flow spillway, flushing sluiceway, top spillway, sand trap, gravel trap, pipe of the water system upstream, and the water come through the one end and water go through the another end. Design of Indrapuri Barrage is shown in figure. Design pressure the Indrapuri Barrage. So the forces bottom of the barrage. This figure show the height of vertical distance. Vertical load applied this thing and the water level of without load 309.5 meter and freeboard. Then applied the vertical load, the water goes through the 305.85 meter. this thing, the apply the load and weight applied the load in the vertical and horizontal, then I design the applicable. Diversion spillway is a show in a figure. The water is come in wing and diversion spillway is show in horizontal force. Sand trap is a trap to flow the low flow of water and collected the sand one place. Design this thing show in figure. The barrage is a many large and many length of barrage show in figure. So force acting the vertical and horizontal. First of all, the force acting through the water and reacted force in opposite direction in water. So this type construction of barrage. Thank you.